Oh, yeah, this is really nice.
It's definitely cold. Cute little. Oh, there's one float in here, and there's one over there.
Yep.
So we got some rafts and a table.
Table to eat.
Yep, and then our little, watch out, Jon. We have a little patio out here.
Our chairs too.
And we've got some lawn chairs out on the beach. And then our beach. And there's our boat off in the distance. Our ship out there. Way out there. Beautiful.
Hey, Tonya, wave. Look, sugar apples.
He's cute. Look how cute. He's so cute.
He's gonna jump into his chair. He's gonna take your chair over.
He wants inside the air conditioning. He's in our room here.
Hey, Tonya,
What's up, John?
where are we?
We are in the Bahamas.
That's right. This is day 2 of the Princess Cruise, our very first stop. We're at the private island of Princess Cays. So, how do you like Princess Cays?
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Very relaxing, very laid
Very-
back. And this day just flew by.
Beautiful day outside, 80 degrees. Well, you'll see that in some video. All the sunshine, very breezy,
Yeah.
but beautiful day.
Yeah, we got this, we're inside of our private bungalow doing this video. And whoever's
Right.
whoever's going to take a Princess Cruise and they're going to come to Princess Cay, Princess Key, however you say it, I recommend the bungalow. It's nice.
Yeah, it's air conditioned, so as warm as it got today, it's nice to kind of sit in here a little bit.
Yeah.
It's still pretty bright in here because it's got the glass doors. You can still see the beach.
Yeah, and close to the beach, and got a refrigerator, and
I'll kind of turn you around so you can see the glass doors. Hang on 1 second.
okay.
So you can see the beach right there, a few steps away, and then you'll see other video of the beach today.
Little pro tip about the beach, as we found out, wear beach shoes because where
It's a
we're
little
at
rocky.
is very rocky.
Yeah, walking
Right.
in barefoot in the beach.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
water's beautiful. It's green and blue, like an aqua color.
Yep.
But the rocks do hurt your feet.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Where's the beach?
and bring your sunglasses.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Very bright. Very nice.
yeah, but even if you don't get the bungalow, they've got the clamshell
Yep.
chairs,
Yep.
double chair
Plenty
things.
of chairs.
Plenty of chairs on this beach. Even
Yep.
with our cruise has like a little over 2,000 people on it.
2,200, I think they said.
I'm not sure, but
Yeah.
a little over. Not everybody got off the boat, but
It's not full capacity cruise. I'd say it's 80% capacity, which is fine. Beautiful ship, which we'll take a tour and show you the ship. But little pro tip too: internet.
the internet's amazing on this boat. We did upgrade to have. Well, he has his own, but for my package, the package that we got, it only let me either use my laptop or my phone, and I wanted to be able to use both.
I'm talking about here.
So, oh yeah, well even on the island, but in the boat itself
Yeah.
too.
It worked here
use
on the
both.
island.
Yes, the internet is working. This is the private island for Carnival and Princess, and I'm able to use my internet. I was able to FaceTime my
yeah.
family, and
That's amazing.
so
It's amazing. And with your medallion, I know a lot of private islands is extra for liquor or beer. As long as you got, the drink package, which we bought this
it's
a long
all
time
included
ago.
on here. Yeah.
Yeah, we, hey, cerveza free. So, well, not really,
And
but
the lunch they served was really nice.
yeah, barbecue.
It was
Yeah.
barbecue style. They had hot dogs, hamburgers, barbecue pork, chicken, jerk chicken.
Yep, jerk chicken.
Some desserts.
They have an upgrade, but we decided not to.
Yeah.
For
You can
$50.
I think it was the same food I saw them carrying though, but they bring it to you.
Yeah.
We only walked 2 minutes away, grabbed the buffet plate, and then brought it to our room here. So.
Yeah, I'd rather save the $50 for something else.
Yep. So shortly we'll be heading back to the boat before
Yep.
the rush goes back, and
Yep.
enjoying our evening, and we'll see how it goes from there.
So, from the Bahamas, we'll see ya.
Checking out next island.
I don't know. You tell
It's
me.
St. Thomas.
See you on the flip side in St. Thomas.